This is my 2022 setup tour, so there will be more setup tours to come because I'm swapping my PC to a new case. I'm getting a new keyboard to replace my busted one, and hopefully I'll fix my decorations, maybe add some more RGB by the time I do the next setup update. Welcome to the highly anticipated, long-awaited, much delayed setup tour. Woo! So yeah, I've got some figurines up here. Got some DBZ figurines, some old Pokemon figurines, new Pokemon figurines, some plushies. Then we got some art that I got from different artists on there. More plushies, because I love plushies. And some fake plants, because I kill all real plants. That's just how it is. And we got more art over here, and shelf in progress, and then of course we got Suki warming her butt on my computer, as per usual. So let me just tell you a bit about my setup here. So we got two monitors, both 144 Hertz. I don't know what brand exactly they are. I just know that it's an Asus and an HP monitor. The left one's an HP, the main one's an Asus, and it's a 27 inch, and the other one I believe is 24 inch. And then we got my mixer here. So I use that to route my audio and such. Like this. Can change the levels of the audio. And then I got my Stream Deck. I have all my scenes and stuff like that on it and all that. So it's easier to swap my settings since I'm using a dual PC setup. We got my Razer wireless mouse that I just got recently. And then we got my old Razer keyboard, the Black Widow Chroma V2, which a lot of the buttons don't work anymore, so I am getting a replacement soon in about a week, thanks to my supportive stream. And let's see what else. We got some Logitech speakers with RGB. You can barely see the RGB because, well, it's bright in here, and yeah, I want more RGB in this room. We got my Razer headset and headset stand with RGB. My little Starbucks ornament that I keep there as decor. And I recently got a wall mount for my Animal Crossing Switch, but I also want to get a little wall shelf to put like my charging stand on, just so I have more room on my desk, because I feel like I never have enough room on my desk, just too many things. And then I got a bulletin board behind my desk for like notes and stuff like that. Got my Elgato key lights for brightness. Oh my god, it just hella adjusted the brightness. Got those. And let's see what else. So my PC, my special PC. We will talk about this. So I got a custom like faceplate on it, themed with Kindred from League of Legends. My whole build is themed from Kindred from League of Legends. I got a little figurine in there. All Corsair RGB fans. I've got a H150i Corsair AIO cooler. I got the Ryzen 5950X for my CPU, and a RTX 2080 Super from Asus GPU. Got my AverMedia capture card that sometimes works, sometimes doesn't, but works mostly lately, so yay, because internal capture card so much nicer. Got RAM, you know, you need RAM. Got 32 gigs of that. Custom purple cables. Nice, nice. And then I have the Corsair 5000D Airflow. It's a pretty decent sized case. It's big enough to fit my figurine and all the specs, so yeah. And then down here we have, don't talk about my cable management. We don't talk about cable management. I swear I used to have it cable managed, and then I unplugged things, and then, well, we're here with the no cable management again. So this is my other PC. It's an HP Omen, and the specs are poop, and I don't remember what they are, but it's like an Intel i7 6700 and I don't know, a 6 gig GPU. The Asus like GT960 or something. I'm not quite sure, but I use it as my secondary PC to run stream through. So I have a capture card internally in this, and then it's connected to my gaming PC. So my gaming PC takes the main load of the processing, because like games are not able to be run on this unless you want to play like The Sims or League of Legends. Anything bigger than that, it's like, no, do not try me, it'll freeze. So yeah, that's what I'm using currently, but I'm hoping to build a new one at some point. So yeah, that's that for now. And then of course my piece de resistance, my baby microphone. This is, wait, what is this microphone again? Oh my god, my brain can't remember. Oh yeah, it's the Electro Voice RE20. Yeah, the RE20. It's a dynamic mic, it's nice. I really like it. I like the color of it. It's very cute, very nice. And then we got my external capture card, HD 60 Plus, that I use for my camera because my Camlink went kaput and doesn't work anymore, so I have to use this. I also use this if I'm streaming from laptop because it's portable, so that's nice. And also you can't plug an internal one into a laptop, it just doesn't work. But yeah, that's my setup. Whoa. It adjusts to the light and gets real dark in here. And now we got a new friend on the computer warming her butt. Right, Evie? Say hi to YouTube, Evie. No? You don't want to say hi to YouTube? You're feeling shy? Okay. I thought there'd be more to my setup, but that's basically it. My aesthetic is pink and Kindred from League of Legends, and plushies everywhere. And oh, I forgot as well, my desk. This desk I got from Kijiji, which is Canada's Craigslist. I got 2 of them. And yeah, I got this from Canada's Craigslist, and tables were in rough shape, but we sanded them and restained them and varnished them, and they look really great. And we got legs for them, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, like my desk's really nice. It's solid oak, so it can withstand the clamps I have on it and the heavy things I have on it, which is nice. But yeah, that's it. That's my setup. If you'd like to see like a full setup tour, including my art desk, then let me know in the comments. And I'll show you guys that more extensively. But for now, this is just the area where I stream, not including my stream background. But yeah, all I can say is I wish it has more RGB. When I look up here, I feel like it could use some lighting to light up the shelves and the art here. It looks quite dark, but like on camera, it's kind of deceiving. It's more like this naturally. It's pretty dark. Suki, say hi to YouTube. Tell them like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Yeah, Suki, yeah.